Hi there, hope everything is going well. Today I am going to show you how you can add Elementor hover effect, swipe animation with CSS and JavaScript. Okay, so first of all we need to copy this class name, swipe over, copy, and go to your Elementor website and select any column where you add this effect. So after click column, you can see left side this option advance, and little bit scroll down and you see CSS classes, paste it here and go to doc file and copy this whole code. Okay, copy this code, copy, and go to the custom CSS. This is CSS plus, and go to custom CSS and paste it here. After paste, it's done. Okay, it's now white. It's now showing the hover effect. You can see it's now looking good. And check your description and check my description. Here you can find the code and comment and subscribe. Thank you.